Hi guys, welcome back to the Cooking Nurse channel. My name is Maureen. My friends call me Watermelon Sugar, and today I'm going to show you my favorite watermelon juice recipe. Please tag along and like and subscribe. So I already washed my watermelon. Today's ingredients, you're going to use watermelon, ginger, and some beetroot. I've already washed my things. Please always endeavor to wash your things. We are going to chop up our watermelon. Since our watermelon doesn't have much color, our beetroot is going to help us enhance the color. You can cut it however you like. I am cutting it the way that is easier for me, so feel free to cut it any way you like. We always chop off the watermelon peeling because it's not edible. Yeah, we chop up our watermelon into smaller pieces as we put it in our blender. I'm going to add up my ginger. I prefer mine peeled. I'm going to peel it. Chop it up into small pieces. Next, I'm going to add very colorful beetroot. So most of the time, the beetroot has a very strong flavor. It tends to overpower the other fruits in a juice. So you need to put just a sizable amount. But if you like it like that, then you can add as much as you like. I just don't like to add a lot because it tends to overpower the other fruits. As you can see, I've only added half a beetroot, and that's going to work for us for today. Now I'm going to add some little water since our watermelon is very juicy. I'm going to add just a little bit of water and blend this. I'm going to add just a little, about half a cup of water. I'm going to cover this and blend it, and then we'll have our juice. Here we have our blended juice. So now I'm going to sieve it and remove the pulp. The watermelon juice is a bit easier to sieve. Okay, that's enough. So most of the time we do not add sugar in this juice because it's already sweet. But if you like it sweeter, then you can always add a little bit of sugar. You see, our watermelon didn't have like a very good color, but the beetroot has helped enhance the color, and you can smell the ginger from here. The ginger adds a really good flavor, and you can taste it in the juice, which makes the juice taste very good. So this is our freshly squeezed watermelon, beetroot and ginger juice. Thank you for watching the Cooking Mess channel. Please subscribe, like, share our content. Thank you so much.